Hey Sam, what are you doing?
I'm playing with the shark. Big flairs. I want to tell the people how long you left the package at the front.
Oh, yeah, the package arrived at, what time was it? 10 o'clock?
10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I was home. I just didn't hear the knock.
When did you find the package?
Not until I left to pick up the kids. 3 o'clock? Yeah, well, you know. Maybe they didn't knock very loud.
I don't think they knocked at all, to be honest.
Oh, there you go. See, I was just in my own world doing the house stuff. So anyone could have just taken our flares.
He's Sam. Waited 5 months from him.
What brand are they?
Savage Tech. We were the first to receive them.
Yeah?
We're on the first pre-order. This is the first batch.
Ooh. Poor Barry. Is there a clip?
Press these little tabs down. That's what I was missing.
Repeat.
Two little plastic clips underneath here. Bit of an oddball one. You gotta pop the center out before we can pop the whole clip out. Oh, God. Should be one more bolt. Yes.
Is that a special technique?
I call it the pawn smack.
What? The pull and smack? What's in the box? In the box. What's in the box today?
Easy trick. You need to pry our clip or something. Something off. So you can actually pry against without damaging your vehicle.
Clever.
Yeah. Much more aggressive.
Yeah. I see it now. I couldn't see it from above, but now I'm looking at it from this angle. I can definitely see it. Yeah. It sticks out more, hey?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so you do have to salvage these little clips from the original one. And so the new one, they do not have those clips.
Do you know what? I took photos the wrong way. Yeah.
That way.
Yeah, I'm so dumb.
Oh, that's bad.
I don't know. I thought it was. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like wider or I don't know. I'm going to take more photos of the other side of the car. Yeah, because now I realise. Whoops. Glad you're in charge. Because I was like looking at it from here. I'm like, that's not bigger. Now I see. Alright. Whoa.
Nice looking clips. More or less exactly the same as factory.
Which one's which?
So that's original. Now it comes with a kit. Looks like the same design. You see that lock ring. So as you put it in, that snaps off, locks it into place. They got to clean off one bit from manufacturing. I think they were pushing anyway. No, I have to get a knife for that one. Reckon on the Leatherman.
Yeah.
It's just a very thin light bit of plastic. There's almost no effort at all to remove. That's okay, that's easy. The entrance where the clip slides in is just a little bit tight. So what I'm going to do is use this to push the center of the clip, not the outside or the flange, just the stem. In she goes. Now she's secure.
What technique is this?
The push and smack. So you want to push, so as you push into it, you want to make sure the clips are started. So as you push it, so when you smack it, you don't have to close the gap, it's already got pressure. And that last little smack should seat it. Sometimes you've got to either flare the plastic or squeeze the plastic to line the tips. But if the tips aren't aligned with the hole, when you smack it, you'll break it.
Say that again. If the tips aren't.
If the tips aren't aligned with the hole, when you smack it, there's a good chance the clip itself will break.
Okay. So you gotta line it up.
Look how much wider this is already.
Alright, yeah, now I see what's going on.
I'll put the hand tab in first, so they have to go first. So if you try to push up, it fails. So you've got to bend and lift, get the first one aligned. There we go. Once they're You can see how they started, and they go. Just like a bought one. Have a look at that compared to the other side.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger.
Morning, Don.
Yeah. New product.
Sorry?
New product.
Yeah.
So.
So you're setting up a YouTube channel now, eh?
Oh, we've already got a YouTube channel.
Have you?
Yeah.
You must have a look one day.
We just add to it. Every now and then. It's not a big commitment.
Nah.
Just, you know, every now and then Sam does something and I
Whack it up.
video him.
We're one of first in Australia to receive these kits. I pre-ordered it
Guess what?
in February.
Mine came on it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only to get around the Australian laws for the width of the tyres.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only reason
Yeah.
they do it.
Yeah, this had like 10 mil
It's
choke.
not sticking out.
Yeah.
As it should.
Build your own.
Yeah, it is. Good around.
Are you building your dreams?
I am building my dream. Oh my goodness.
What you doing?
Oh, trying to get this clip in. It's just plain silly buggers. Here we go. In we go. Happy days. The texture like lines up pretty well perfect to that tree. Look at it. The new versus old. You can almost can't tell the difference between the two.
Yeah. It's like the exact same colour.
Exactly what you want, and you don't want people to know that you've done anything too crazy.
Well, we don't.
Other ones I've seen, they'll bolt on, or stick on, and they're just stuck out. Dead fine with the body lines. It was just a shiny black. It just, I don't know, looked awful. This is clean though.
And what technique is this? What do you reckon? He looks like Christmas. You look like a kid at Christmas. How did it go installing it though? Pretty happy? Pretty easy?
Yes.
Yeah, easy.
Easiest I've done.
How long has it taken us? Or you?
About 25 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe.
For one side.
One side.
Yeah, and then we'll do the other side.
Hour.
Pretty easy. No issues. What was the hardest part?
Waiting.
How's it going?
Not bad. It's always important to get them all started before tightening them up. Because you will tighten up one or two, chances are you won't get the last one to up. Have a look at that compared to the other side.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger.